Guys, hopefully you got a little bit of lighting, but the rack that fit on here was a little bit bent. So when I went to bend it back, it broke all these welds. So I should have got you guys some of my video welding. I just have a little wire welder, but although it's not pretty, it's back together nice and tight. The problem I have is my 4 holes don't line up, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to level it out and see which holes line up for it to be level, and then I'm gonna break the other 2 and then weld them into the place where they should be to keep this rack level. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can see how that's up and that's touching, you know. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get those, we're gonna get it level, and then we'll weld this thing back. I've been getting better. I know it doesn't look like it, but every weld I did, I got a little bit better, a little bit better. This is the very first time I've ever tried to weld anything. Now it's strong, it just looks like dew. I only have a couple settings on my welder, so I don't think I have quite the exact right setting for what I'm doing here. So I'm either a little too hot or a little too cold. I don't think that's the terminology they use. I either got a little too much juice or not enough juice. I can't quite dial in the juice. I only have for the setting on the volts, it's like A, B, C, or D, where on the wire feed it's a potentiometer that I can adjust fully. So I think that's causing me some problem, but that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see if we can get that done. I'll put you on hyperspeed and play some music for you and see if we can figure this out. Like I said, I think on that last one, I started to get the voltage and the wire feed right, which is weird because the other day when I was doing it, it seemed like it was a whole different setting. So there may just be a lot that I have to learn about it. Now, I feel like I filled it up with metal and it's tight, you know what I mean? But it's not pretty by any stretch of the imagination. But like I said, I feel like there's good metal on there, and it's not gonna go anywhere. We kind of accomplished our task. This distance and this distance. The problem is this was too low and it was rattling. So now that shouldn't be an issue at all. You know, it shouldn't be an issue. So painted it up, looks a little better. So that's it. Like I said, we were using this Lincoln electric. So I mean, it's a Lincoln. It's not even a cheap welder, but as you can see, this is the wire feed. And well, I don't think you can see actually, now that I'm looking at it. But anyway, I got a dial here for wire feed, and I got one for the electric. And then they got all these tables on here to tell you what's what. And I think you just got to practice, and the more you practice, the better you're going to get. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I would give you a picture of the Carolina sky, but it is pitch black out here. So watch, subscribe, let the content run on your channel, and we're just going to do anything. If you got any questions about the Tao or all these are 4-strokes. So far so good. Anything you see in here, let me know, and we'll get after it and figure it out. I got both these Taos running great, so I'm pretty excited about that. All right, on the next one.